Today, it's time to do an oil change on the old farm truck. Let's get into it. All right, so first thing we gotta do is get the oil. Oh, all right, man. Didn't put that on so hard last time. See if we could do it. Let's try not to make too much of a mess. Come on, Bessie. Let's go. All right. Ooh, look at that. That's some dirty oil. All right, we let her drain, and we're gonna go get the filter. Now I got a bone to pick with these Mopar engineers. Why in the world would they put the oil filter all the way up here? We got a cross member right here. It's gonna leak right on it the minute I get it off. This is why I've always been a Chevy fan. Chevy's always had the oil filter right next to the oil pan. It's just simple, 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 simple. This truck was lucky it was the cheapest thing on Facebook Marketplace and I needed a farm truck. All right, I did me some redneck engineering. So I put some aluminum foil so I could cover my equipment, and the oil can drain right onto the aluminum foil and get right into the pan. So hopefully that works. Let's try it out. All right, let's get up in here. Oh, that was my shoulder. Come on, Bessie. Oh, here it comes. Son of a biscuit. Come on. Get off, you gosh darn oil filter. Come on. Come on. How much thread you got, Mo? Come on. It's getting slippery. Oop, there we go. Oh, gosh darn it. Get down. Oh. Come on, redneck funnel. She's working. Look at that. Hold on, let me wipe off my hands so I can grab my cellular device. And who said redneck engineering would never work? Look at that. Got her off, drained her right into the pan. Alrighty, got our new filter. Go and grab some old oil. Come in, put it right on the gasket. All right, let's get her up there. See if this can make it any easier. Come on. Don't cross thread on me. We're on. I don't know why these threads are so gosh dang long on this thing. Come on. All right. Let's get on this out of here. You get over there. Tighten down that filter. Not too tight, hand tight. Remember that. All right. Oh. Oh. All right. She's done. Let's put the oil nut back on and then start filling her up. All right. Let's get her all cleaned up. Make sure this oil filter is tight. Yep. Get that cleaned up. No mess. It's just what I like. All right, let's go fill her up, Mo. All right, now that we got the oil drained, new oil filter on, let's go fill her up with some high mileage oil. We are good, son. It's right up to that second bubble. Perfect. And that right there is how you do an oil change. Let's start her up, see what her levels are at, and go from there.